Hi everyone, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is inheritance in Java. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behavior of the parent object. It is an important part of object-oriented programming system. Inheritance in Java is create new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from one class, existing class, you can reuse method and fields of the parent class. Inheritance represent the is a relationship which is also known as parent-child relationship. Why we use inheritance in Java? Firstly, for method overriding, and secondly, for code reusability. Some terms and used to in inheritance. First one is a class. Class is a group of objects which have common properties. Second one is a subclass or child class. Subclass is a child. Subclass is which inheritors is the other class. It is also called as a derived class, extend class or child class. Third one is a superclass. Superclass is a class from where a subclass inherit the feature. It is called a base class or a parent class. Fourth one is a reusability. You can reuse the field and method of the existing class when you create a new class. In Java, a few types of inheritance. First one is a single inheritance. Single inheritance, when a class inherits another class, it is known as a single inheritance. Only one class is derived from a parent class. In inheritance, few types of inheritance. First one is a single, second one is a multi-level, third is a hierarchical. Another one is not supported for inheritance in Java. They are supported to interface like multiple inheritance, and second one is a hybrid inheritance. First one is in single inheritance. When a class is inherits another class, it is known a single inheritance. Only one class is derived from the parent class. Second one is a multi-level inheritance. When there is a chain of inheritance, it is known as multi-level inheritance. One class inherits the feature from the parent class and the newly created subclass. Third one is hierarchical inheritance. When two or more classes inherit a single class, it is known as a hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance, a combination of more than one type of inheritance. Thank you so much.